The blood of every Biafra which have gone in this particular struggle, we must be revenge. Biafra Liberation Army says so. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balaba G's. Today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. Remember, say for this channel we dey bring you back to back update as it dey happen anywhere in the world. For Biafra territory, for inside Nigeria, for anywhere where they happen, na there we dey bring you back to back update as it dey happen. Before we proceed, go look into the Google news wey we get for hand today. I beg may you try to subscribe to this channel for a quick update as it dey hot. Things are really happening. Hello my wonderful people. If you know say you never turn your notification bell, may you try to turn am so that you go dey get our update immediately when we drop am. Okay, let's look into the Google news wey we get for hand today. One Biafra Liberation Army don come aside for inside video wey talk say he say the blood of Biafrans wey don buy for this struggle. He say they must revenge am from beginning to end. We will go ahead, go play you the video, not too much talk today. We'll play you the video, may you watch am from beginning to end. May you understand wetin dey go on.
And indeed, it's a very great day to sacrifice for our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Chukwu Abiyama will keep guiding and protect him in the hand of the evil. And at the end of this struggle, he will come out alive and lead this very nation to the greatness. And that is the reason we can never and we shall never give up. Because we were born to do this. I want to thank all of you that were greatly observed today as Nnamdi Holy Day. And at the same time, I want to also update you of what conspired today. It is indeed that Nigerian army are not coming to East to fight us. Rather, they are always coming here to steal. Whenever they come, they will break into people's houses, but it will not be long anyway, because it is our duty to make sure that we pursue them out of our territory. I've been targeting the civilian in Biafra land. Their aim is to wipe out the innocent civilian. The last time they came here, they killed an innocent old man, very old man, on their way going back. Today, the blood of that man will be revenged. And the blood of every Biafran that have been killing will be revenged in this land of Biafra.
Where are you going? Also Megalago. Nkeka enjo go ha le shire la bela agba father jet. Wo bugwara ndị army, DSS, ebubago. We ba n'obodo a. Na-egbuchi ndị mmadụ n'obodo a, gbagbuchi ndị mmadụ ma ndị nne ma ụmụaka. Agba ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ, property ndị mmadụ, even aba n'ụlọ mmadụ ha nọ ha aga zuo ohi, gbuo ma plantain ndị mmadụ, ma ji ha na-egbu ji aka ha aka. Wo bugwara ndị agụ bịa n'obodo a, gbagbuchi ndị mmadụ. Also make a loboda. Now where are you running going now? Where are you going now? Okay, what I loboda. What about your family now? Family amaghị m na ha nọ. Amụrụ m obodo a naanị m fọrọ n'obodo a naanị m fọrọ obodo a ọsọ ka m gbagazi na ama mmemme mgbagajikwu.
The truth remains that this land of Biafra belongs to us. And every terrorist and every foreigners that came into our land to intimidate us will soon be buried in our land. They are not be coming to fight us. Rather, they always come here to steal. To steal. Imagine army that say they want to come and fight, end up breaking into people's houses, breaking into people's shop, and be packing their belongings. The joy I have in my heart is that today, the blood of the innocent that have been killing have been revenged today. They came as usual, thinking that it's going to be easy. Not knowing that each time they come, whatever way they choose to come, whatever time they choose to come, the land of Biafra are always prepared to swallow them. They do not have this in their idea or in their mind. The land of Biafra today has sucked blood of those that have been killing us. Those that came to the land to kill the owners of the land have ended up losing their life. So therefore, I will, at this very point, at this very moment, advise them to deploy more. Nigeria government, deploy more soldiers. Recruit more soldiers and deploy them to the land of Biafra. We go nowhere. To you, it's like we are joking. Just the same way Nigeria is a joke to you. To you. You think we can ever bow down or retrieve or surrender? Never. Not in a million years to come. We are not like Nigeria, and we can never be. Nigeria is the only country that can never go forward. The only country that yesterday is better than today. Nigeria is the only country that evil is good and good is evil. Nigeria is the only country that love darkness than light. Nigeria is the only country that enjoy killing civilians than combating with the same army in the ground. Nigeria is the only country who ran away from the battlefield and choose to go to civilian houses and be burning them down. Nigeria is a failed state. Nigeria does not deserve to exist. The earlier the war dissolve this failed state, the better for everybody. It does not matter the weapon they brought or they came with. into our land. What really matters to us is, at the end of all this drama, Biafra must be emerged. Whether you like it or not, whether you believe it or not, you can't stop this struggle. You can't stop this restoration. You can never stop this restoration. Never. So, the music you are playing, we know how to dance very, very well. I will encourage you to play it loud. But bear in mind that it is you that start this music. My question to you is that, do you really have a mind to play this music to the end? We are fully prepared for you. Fully prepared for you. If you don't know this, you better know. 2023 is not 1967. I know the reason why I always like to tell you this. So that your mind will not keep telling you that you stand a greater chance to stop what is about to happen. I always say this to you so that you have it at the back of your mind that you only come to the land of Biafra to die. Just the same way Nigeria are always walking backward. I want to update you today what is really hey my goodness. Hey my goodness me. What is really happened in the fake country. This is one of the signs. I'm going to tell you 3 signs you know that that country can never rise again. 3 signs. Start movement. The vehicle just start movement. We are on gear 1 now. And my joy and my happiness is that I feel it, that I've tested it, and they will testify. Because whosoever that tests must testify.
Welcome back. As I have watched that video and hear everything we talk for this particular video, and see what they go on for inside the place where they call Biafra. Things are really happening. I want you to leave your own comment and your own opinion regarding everything we talk. You know how they do it for here now. You get some video we go bring, we go talk so many things put. You get some what we go still bring, we allow you, may you leave your own opinion. Put for comment section so that we will talk about that for inside comment. Or may you leave your own opinion regarding everything we talk for this video. And don't forget to share the video and also subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell so that you will get our updates back to back as it happen. We will see you for the next update. May you stay tuned.